Hello everyone, welcome to Knowledge Extension. First of all, I'm requesting you that please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so you will get such kind of knowledgeable videos in future also. So let's come to the topic. We will see that how to install Ubuntu in VirtualBox in Windows 10. So first you need to download the VirtualBox. So open your browser and search for the VirtualBox. Download VirtualBox. In here you need to open the first link. In this page you will find out the download link. You have to click on the link so your download gets started. This file is around 100 MB, so it will take a time. Another important part is that you need to download the Ubuntu ISO image file. I will show you later. Here our file is downloaded completely, so we need to install it. The installation process is very easy. You need to click some couple of next buttons here. Click on the next, then yes, then install. So guys, our installation is complete now. Here you can find the VirtualBox. This is our VirtualBox. So guys, next step is to download the ISO image of Ubuntu. So again, open your browser and search for the Ubuntu. I think the newest version is 20.0.4. that is the latest version of Linux Ubuntu. Here you can find out the ISO image. This is the original official Ubuntu site. So click on the download, and here you can find out the latest version, that is 20.0.4 LTS desktop. So you need to download this. I'm cancelling it because I'm already downloaded it. You can see this in my download folder. I have already the ISO file. So guys, for installation purpose we need to follow some steps for the setup. So first thing is that click on the new. Here we are installing that Ubuntu, so name it as Ubuntu 20, and our Ubuntu is Linux based, so type is Linux, and this is the version. Our version will be Ubuntu 64 because our downloaded ISO file have 64-bit version. Then click on the next. Here we need to set the memory size. Here you can resize your memory. I'm setting this. Next, here is create a virtual hard disk now. Keep it as it is. It will create the virtual disk in our logical hard disk. Now secondly, here is VDI, that is VirtualBox disk image. Keep it as it is, and then dynamically allocate it. It means that if your system requires the extra space or extra things, it will get dynamically allocated. And here is the path and the disk space. You can resize it like this. I think this is sufficient. So click on the create. So guys, our setup is now ready, but before that we need to do some changes. So click on the setting. Here you can see the basic information like the name, advanced, description also. We click on the advanced and select the bidirectional for the both option. This means you can share the files between Windows and Ubuntu. Here some another functions. I'm keeping it as it is. And here is the important part. In the storage, you can see the disk icon that is empty. Click on that. After that, you will see at the right side the disk icon. Click on the disk and select the choose a disk file. Here you have to navigate to your ISO file. My ISO file in the download, so I'm navigating to download and selecting this like this. So now you have done. Here you can find out the another options like audio network. I'm keeping it as it is. Click on the OK. So now you are ready to do installation. So click on the start. After this, the new window is open. You have to select the image here. This is my image, ISO image, and then start. After this, your installation process get start. As you can see, our Ubuntu installation is now started. First it will check your disk. For complete installation, it will take 10 to 20 minutes. So you need to wait. So guys, here you will see that the two options, that is try Ubuntu and install Ubuntu. You have to click on the install Ubuntu. After that, here's some language selection, and you can test your keyboard here, and then click on the continue. I'm selecting the normal installation. You can choose the third-party installation here. After that, you have two choice here. First is erase disk and install Ubuntu. So don't worry, it will nothing to erase your disk. Just select this and then click on the install now. Again the confirmation here, so click on the continue. So here you have to select the region, then press continue. After that you have to enter your name here. I'm entering my channel name here, that is a knowledge extension, and then choose your password. It should be 7, and I'm choosing the second option. So it will ask me to log in with the password. So now we have actual installation process here. See guys, actually this installation process gets more time. I'm just speed up this video. So guys, as you can see that our installation is complete now. So click on the restart button so that your system will get restart. It means your virtual system, not your current operating system. So here you have to enter again. Our system is now starting. So we have successfully installed our Ubuntu. So you have to enter your password here. Just click on your username and enter your password. Then press enter and you will see your Ubuntu operating system here. See guys, this is our Ubuntu operating system. Just skip this. This is some kind of initial setup you have to do. So this is your applications here. The most of the operations of Ubuntu is on the terminal. Here lots of applications are here. I'm searching for actually terminal, so just type here. You can search your settings here, terminals here. Here is the setting, so you can customize your Ubuntu. You can change your background from here. This is quite different, so I'm keeping here as it is. You can reduce your icon size like this. This is used for the theme. There are three types of this. Is one dark, this is standard, and another is for light. This is for mouse. You can change it as per your requirement. So overall, this is the customization part actually. Here you can find some options, that is for the internet connection, sound, log out, power off, and this is your file system. Here are your files. So guys, like this you can power off your system and you will return to your virtual box. Okay, so this is how simple installation process is. Okay, so sometimes if you need to remove this or uninstall this operating system, so you just have to right click on this and then click on the remove. Okay, then you have to choose that delete all files. After clicking this, you can remove your Ubuntu from your Windows 10. So guys, this is how simple it is. Hope this video is helpful for you. So please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. So take care. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.